Hi students, welcome to NSR IIT and NEET Academy. This is the 6th session of integration for senior inter students. So in this session we are going to discuss integration by parts method. Integration by part method means U into V formula method. So integration of U into V dx equal to U integration V dx minus integration of d by dx of U integration V dx whole dx. So this is U into V formula. So in this formula, how to identify U and V means which function is we are taking as U and which function is we are taking to V, how to decide that functions. So we have a one code. So what is that code? That code name is islet. By using this code we have to identify which function is U and which function is V. So in this islet code, so what is I? I means inverse. I means inverse functions. Inverse means like sin inverse x, cos inverse x, cos h inverse x. So this type of functions in this I. Next L. L means logarithm. L means logarithmic functions, means log x square, log x cube, log root x, all log functions L. Next A. A means algebra. A means algebraic functions. Functions means x, x square, x cube, like that. Next numbers, and next root x, 1 by root x. So this type of functions coming in algebra. Next T means trigonometry. T means trigonometric functions, means sin x, cos x, tan x, like that, sin hx, cos hx. So these are our trigonometric functions. Next last one, E means exponential functions. E means exponential functions. Exponential function means e power x, e power 2x, like that. So these are the code terms. I means inverse, L means logarithm, A means algebra, T means trigonometry, E means exponential functions. So these are the functions, this is the code. So in this order only we have to take the U and V function. Suppose we have integration log x into x. So log x means logarithmic function and x means algebraic function. So the order is correct. So this is U and this is V. Suppose integration e power x into log x, e power x into log x into dx is there. So e power x means exponential function and log x means logarithmic function. So in islet code, L is first, L means logarithm, E means exponential, this is the last element. So log x become U and e power x become V. So the question changes into log x into e power x dx. So this is the order of U into V functions code. So by using this code we are solve the problem. So in this session we are going to solve these problems. So next question is question number 82. Integration log x dx. Integration log x dx. So here we have only one function. So the question changes into log x into 1 into dx. So log x we can write as log x into 1 into dx. So log x means logarithmic function, 1 is a algebraic function. So we have a code I let. So in I let first logarithm, next algebra, so our order is correct. So log x is u and 1 is v. So what is the formula? U integration v dx minus u integration v dx integration of d by dx of u integration v dx into whole dx. So this dx is whole the term of dx. So log x into integration 1 integration dx means x minus integration of, here log x differentiate, d by dx of log x means log x differentiate, differentiation of log x, d by dx of log x is 1 by x into integration of 1 into dx x and whole dx. So here differentiate, this one integration. So x get cancelled. So x into log x minus integration dx. So x log x minus integration dx x. Now add arbitrary constant. So this is integration log x dx. So integration log x formula, x log x minus x plus c, x log x minus x plus c. So this is integration of log x value. Next question number 83. Integration x into log x dx. Integration x into log x dx. But here x is a algebraic function and log x is logarithmic function. So in our order, first logarithm, next algebra. So that's why this question changes into log x into x dx. So log x is u and x is v. Now apply the formula. So u integration v dx minus integration of d by dx of log x integration of x dx whole dx. Integration of x dx whole dx. Now integration of x value x square by 2 minus integration d by dx of log x 1 by x into integration x square by 2 into dx. So x get cancelled. Now x square by 2 log x minus, write 1 by 2 outside, we get x into dx. 1 x get cancelled, again we have 1 x. So integration of, again integration of x square by 2. So x square by 2 log x 1 by 2 into x square by 2 plus c. So in both terms x square 2 term is common. So we can write log x minus 1 by 2 plus c. So this is the value of integration x log x dx. So x log x dx is equal to x square by 2 log x minus 1 by 2. Next question number 84. Integration x into e power x dx. Integration x into e power x dx. So x is algebra and e power x is exponential. So this is u and this is v. Now apply the formula u into integration v dx minus d by dx of x into integration e power x dx whole dx. X integration e power x dx minus integration d by dx of x integration e power x dx whole dx. X into integration of e power x value e power x minus integration d by dx of x 1 integration e power x dx. So x into e power x minus 1 into e power x. So x into e power x minus integration of e power x value is e power x. So take it as common e power x, we get x minus 1 plus c. So this is our answer. Next question number 85. Integration x into secant square x dx. X into secant square x dx. So x is algebra, secant square x means it is integrate, it is trigonometry. So what is our order? Islet. So first algebra, next trigonometry is our order is correct. So x become u and secant square x is v. Now apply the formula x integration secant square x dx minus integration x dx integration secant square x dx whole dx. So this one d by dx of x, d by dx of x. Now integration secant square x, integration secant square x formula, integration of secant square x formula what? Integration of secant square x equal to tan x. So now here x into integration secant square x tan x minus d by dx of x, d by dx of x value 1, differentiation of x value 1, again integration of secant square x tan x into dx. So 1 into tan x tan x minus integration of tan x dx. So integration of tan x log mod secant x plus tan x, sin by cos, it is not log mod, just secant x. So tan x formula is log mod secant x plus c. So this is our answer. So next question number 86. What is the question number 86? Integration log x by x square into dx. So what is our code? Islet. L logarithm, A algebra. So we can write it as log x into 1 by x square into dx. Log x into 1 by x square into dx. So log x is u, 1 by x square is v. Now apply the formula log x integration 1 by x square dx minus integration d by dx of log x integration of 1 by x square dx whole dx. Now log x into integration 1 by x square means integration 1 by x power n formula. X power n means minus 1 by n minus 1, 2 minus 1, 1, x power 2 minus 1, 1. So we get minus 1 by x minus integration, here apply differentiation d by dx of log x 1 by x and here minus 1 by x into dx. So minus 1 by x into log x, minus into minus plus, again we get here 1 by x square dx. So minus 1 by x log x. So integration of 1 by x square minus 1 by x plus c. If you want to simplify it, take it as common minus 1 by x, we get log x plus 1 plus c. So this is our answer. So integration of log x by x square equal to minus 1 by x into log x plus 1 plus c. So next question number 87. So before that question we learn some techniques. So what are the techniques? So if we have any integration value like this, means 1 by 1 plus x. If we have integration 1 by 1 plus x, directly we can write log mod 1 plus x plus c. but we have x by 1 plus x. Listen carefully. These tricks are very important. If you know this one, it is easy to solve the problems. So x by 1 plus x. If we have here 1, so these two terms are equal. So at the time, which term is there or which number is there, add and subtract that number. X plus 1 minus 1 into dx. Suppose we have x by 2 plus x into dx. X by 2 plus x into dx, at the time add and subtract 2 to numerator. If integration x by 3 plus x into dx, so we can add and subtract x plus 3 minus 3 by 3 plus x dx. So both have equal. Same integration x square by 1 plus x square. If we have integration 1 by 1 plus x square into dx, directly we have a formula tan inverse x plus c. Integration 1 by 1 plus x square into dx, directly we can write tan inverse x plus c. If x square by 1 plus x square, we have x square by 1 plus x square. So both are same, x square and x square. So at the time add and subtract 1. Similarly, x square by, we have 2 plus x square into dx. So add and subtract 2. So if we have x by 1 plus x by 2 plus x by 3 plus x, we add and subtract 1 minus 1, 2 minus 2, 3 minus 3. Here x square 1 plus x square equal. At the time also we add and subtract 1. Next, integration x by 1 plus x square. Both are not equal. Here x is there, here x square is there. If we have 2x, if suppose we have here integration 2x by 1 plus x square dx, directly we have one formula. What is that formula? Integration f dash x by f of x dx. So it is equal to log mod f of x. We have a formula. So differentiate this one, 1 plus x square, differentiate 1 plus x square, we get 2x. So that is f dash x. So integration f dash x by f of x dx, directly we have formula. So we can write it as log mod 1 plus x square plus c. If we have only x by 1 plus x square into dx, we have only integration x by 1 plus x square, at the time multiply and divide with to the numerator. To multiply and divide when if we have only x. If we have 2x, directly apply the formula. If you don't have 2, so we can multiply and divide with 2. So 1 by 2 integration 2x by 1 plus x square. Now apply the formula to this integration function. So these are the tricks. If we have like these terms or these functions, we get using these formulas. So this is very, very important. Right, next question number 87. So integration log 1 plus x square into dx. Integration log 1 plus x square into dx. So we can write it as log of 1 plus x square into 1. Why? Because we have only function multiply with 1, so cannot change the value. So log of 1 plus x square become u, and 1 is this is logarithm function, and this one algebraic function. So apply the formula log of 1 plus x square integration 1 into dx, integration d by dx of log 1 plus x square 1 into dx whole dx, 1 into dx into whole dx. Now log of 1 plus x square into integration 1 into dx is x minus d by dx of log 1 plus x square. First this is log x means 1 by x. Again differentiate 1 plus x square, we get 2x into integration 1 into dx, x into dx. Now x into log of 1 plus x square minus 2 right outside, x into x we get x square by 1 plus x square into dx. So both the terms are, both squares are equal, x square and 1 plus x square. So here number is 1, add and subtract 1 to numerator. So log 1 plus x into log 1 plus x square minus 2 into integration of x square plus 1 minus 1 by 1 plus x square into dx. X square plus 1 minus 1 by 1 plus x square into dx. Now x into log of 1 plus x square minus 2 into, so separate the terms, x square plus 1 by x square plus 1 into dx minus integration 1 by 1 plus x square into dx. So x square plus 1 get cancelled. So integration 1 by 1 plus x square is tan inverse x. So 2 multiply both the functions. So x into log of 1 plus x square minus 2 into integration 1 into dx minus integration 1 by 1 plus x square into dx. Now x into log of 1 plus x square minus integration 1 into dx x minus tan inverse x plus c. So this is our answer. Next question number 88. Integration root x into log x dx. So root x is algebraic function and log x is logarithmic function. So our code is Euler. So first logarithm, next algebra. So that's why u become log x and v become root x. So the question changes into log x into root x dx. That is equal to, now apply the formula, log x into integration root x dx minus integration d by dx of log x integration root x dx into dx. Now log x into integration of root x 2 by 3 x root x. Now integration log x 1 by x integration root x 2 by 3 x root x dx. Now 2 by 3 x root x into log x minus 2 by 3 right outside, x get cancelled, again root x dx. Now 2 by 3 x root x log x minus 2 by 3 into integration root x 2 by 3 x root x plus c. So this is integration root x into log x dx equal to 2 by 3 x root x log x. If you want to simplify it, again take it as common, 2 by 3 x root x, we get log x minus 2 by 3 plus c. So this is our answer. Right, next question number is 89. Integration e power x into sin x dx. E power x into sin x dx. If you want to apply u into v formula, take it as it I and simplify it, we get the answer. And again we have directly one formula, integration e power ax sin bx dx. E power ax sin bx into dx. So e power ax by a square plus b square into a sin bx minus b cos bx plus c. So we have a direct formula. Using this formula also simplified. So in our question a value is 1 and b value also 1. Now integration e power x into sin x dx is equal to, so what is our formula? E power ax means e power 1 into x by a square plus b square, 1 square plus 1 square into 1 into sin 1x minus 1 into cos 1x plus c. So now we get e power x by 1 square value 1 plus 1 2 e power x by 2 into sin x minus cos x plus c. So this is our answer. Next, question number 90. So question number 90, integration sin inverse x, integration sin inverse x dx. So we have only one function, so write it as sin inverse x into 1 into dx. So sin inverse x is inverse function and 1 is algebraic function. So sin inverse x is u and 1 is v. Now apply the formula sin inverse x into integration 1 into dx minus integration d by dx of sin inverse x integration 1 into dx whole dx. Now sin inverse x into integration of 1, so integration 1 value x minus d by dx of sin inverse x 1 by under root of 1 minus x square into integration 1 into dx x. Now we get x into sin inverse x minus x by under root of 1 minus x square into dx. So x into sin inverse x minus, now here we have x and this is x square. So in root value differentiate we get minus 2x, so we have here only x. If we have minus 2x, so this is f dash x and this is f of x. So we have a formula integration f dash x by root f of x equal to 2 root f of x plus c. So we don't have a 2, so minus we can write as plus and integration multiply and divide with 2. So we get this minus become plus and that minus multiply here this term and multiply and divide with 2. So 1 by 2 of minus 2x by under root of 1 minus x square into dx. So now it become f dash x and this is f of x. So f dash x by root f of x, we have a formula 2 root x. Now x into sin inverse x plus 1 by 2 into, what is our formula? 2 into root f of x plus c. Now 2 get cancel. So x into sin inverse x plus 1 minus x square plus c. So if we have a root also, same formula apply here. So what is that formula? Integration f dash x by root f of x into dx is equal to 2 root f of x. So 2 get cancel. So we get x into sin inverse x plus root 1 minus x square plus c. Right. Next question number 91. So integration tan inverse x into dx, right. Integration tan inverse x into 1 into dx. So it is inverse function and this is algebraic function. So apply the formula tan inverse x integration 1 into dx minus integration d by dx of tan inverse x integration 1 into dx whole dx. Now integration 1 value integration 1 into dx x minus integration d by dx of tan inverse x. Tan inverse x means 1 by 1 plus x square into integration 1 into dx x into dx. Now x into tan inverse x minus integration x by 1 plus x square. So we have only x, differentiate we get 2x. So now multiply and divide with 2. So 2 into x, 2x by 1 plus x square into dx. Now it is f dash x and this is f of x. So write log mod f of x. So x into tan inverse x minus 1 by 2 into log mod 1 plus x square plus c. So integration tan inverse x is equal to x into tan inverse x minus 1 by 2 log 1 plus x square plus c. So next one 92. So integration x into tan inverse x dx. So here x is algebraic function and tan inverse x is inverse function. So in our order first write tan inverse x. So tan inverse x is u and x is v. Now apply the formula tan inverse x integration x dx minus integration d by dx of tan inverse x integration x dx into whole dx. Now tan inverse x into integration of x dx x square by 2 minus d by dx of tan inverse x 1 by 1 plus x square into integration of x is x square by 2 into dx. Now 1 by 2 right outside. So here we get x square by 2 into tan inverse x minus x square by 1 plus x square into dx. So both x powers are equal. See here integration x square by 1 plus x square. So now we are add and subtract 1. Already we discussed before. So x square by 2 into tan inverse x minus 1 by 2 into now integration x square plus 1 minus 1 by 1 plus x square into dx. Now simplify this one. X square by 2 into tan inverse x minus 1 by 2 into integration x square plus 1 by x square plus 1 into dx minus 1 by 1 plus x square into dx. Now x square plus 1 x square plus 1 get cancelled, we get x. So now our answer is x square by 2 tan inverse x minus 1 by 2 into integration 1 into dx x minus integration 1 by 1 plus x square tan inverse x plus c. So this is our answer. So integration x into tan inverse x ds equal to x square by 2 tan inverse x minus 1 by 2 into x minus tan inverse x plus c. Right, next question number 93. Integration x into cos inverse x dx. X into cos inverse x dx. So cos inverse x, it is inverse function, this is algebraic function. So in our order first write cos inverse x, next x. So cos inverse x is u and x is v. Now apply the formula. So cos inverse x integration x into dx minus d by dx of cos inverse x integration x into dx whole dx. Now cos inverse x integration x square by 2 minus integration d by dx of cos inverse x minus 1 by under root of 1 minus x square into integration x value x square by 2 into dx. Now cos inverse x into x square by 2 minus So 1 by 2 right outside, minus into minus we get plus. Now x square by under root of 1 minus x square into 1 by 2 into dx. So 1 by 2 right outside, minus into minus we get plus, x square by root 1 minus x square. So here also we have x square, here also we have x square. So add and subtract 1, but we have x square is minus. So don't change the value, here also write minus, this one also minus, add and subtract minus 1. Add and subtract 1, so x square by 2 into cos inverse x minus 1 by 2 into integration 1 add and subtract, 1 adding and subtract by under root of 1 minus x square into dx. Now simplify this one. So x square by 2 into cos inverse x minus 1 by 2 into integration of 1 minus x square by root 1 minus x square dx, and next another one is minus 1 by under root of 1 minus x square into dx. Now x square by 2 into cos inverse x minus 1 by 2 into integration of 1 minus x square, here root 1 minus x square, one root get cancelled, so we get root 1 minus x square means 1 square minus x square. Now here integration 1 by under root of 1 minus x square sin inverse x. So don't write c, why? Because again you have integration value. Now x square by 2 into cos inverse x minus 1 by 2 into integration, apply here formula, integration 1 square minus x square means integration a square minus x square formula, integration a square minus x square. So what is the formula? X by 2 under root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 into sin inverse x by a plus c, means again minus sin inverse x is there, right, minus sin inverse x plus c. Now we can write x square by 2 into cos inverse x minus 1 by 2 into x by 2 under root of 1 minus x square plus 1 by 2 into sin inverse x minus sin inverse x, minus sin inverse x plus c. If you want to simplify it, multiply 1 by 2 and take it as common sin inverse x, we get winning answer. So right up to here also we get 2 marks. So this is our 93rd question answer. Right, next question number 94, integration root a square minus x square into dx equal to x by 2 under root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sin inverse x by a plus c. So we have to prove this formula, right. Let us consider, let I is equal to integration root a square minus x square into dx. Take it as equation number 1. Now simplify this I. So under root of a square minus x square into 1 into dx. So root a square minus x square into 1 into dx. So both are algebraic functions. So consider anyone is u and anyone is v, we get same value. So this is u and v. Now I is equal to under root of a square minus x square 1 into dx minus integration d by dx of root a square minus x square integration 1 into dx whole dx. Now I is equal to a square minus x square integration 1 into dx x. Now minus integration d by dx of root a square minus x square means d by dx of root x. So root x value 1 by 2 root x. Again differentiate this inner function, we get a square is constant and minus x square become minus 2x into integration of 1 into dx x into dx. Now I is equal to x into under root of a square minus x square minus, so 2 right outside, so we get minus x into x square, so 2 to get cancelled, so minus x square by under root of a square minus x square into dx. So both have x square, so your minus is there, add and subtract a square. Now I is equal to x into under root of a square minus x square minus integration a square add and subtract by under root of a square minus x square into dx. Now simplify it, x into under root of a square minus x square minus integration of a square minus x square by a square minus x square into dx. Next minus into minus plus a square into integration 1 by under root of a square minus x square into dx. So here minus into minus become plus. Now I is equal to x into under root of a square minus x square. Now a square minus x square get cancelled, we get another root value, that is minus root a square minus x square into dx plus a square into integration 1 by under root of a square minus x square, that is sin inverse x by a plus c. So here apply the value I. So I means integration root a square minus x square dx value is I. So in this place substitute I, we get I is equal to x into under root of a square minus x square minus I plus a square into sin inverse x by a plus c. So minus I get this side, we get plus I. So I plus I is equal to x into under root a square minus x square plus a square into sin inverse x by a plus c. So I plus I to I, we can write I is equal to, so 2 come this side, it become x by 2 under root of plus a square by 2 into sin inverse x by a plus c. So this is our formula proof. So integration root a square minus x square dx. Again in place of write I means write integration root a square minus x square dx. So we have to simplify this one. So we get the formula. What is that formula? So x by 2 under root a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sin inverse x by a plus c. So this one is important, again I explain you. First take it as I is equal to root a square minus x square. Now root a square minus x square into 1 into dx. So apply the formula. Now here integration 1 into dx is x. Here d by dx of root a square minus x square we can write as 1 by 2 root x into, again differentiate this inner function a square minus x square, we get minus 2x. Now integration 1 into dx is x, here 2 to get cancelled. So we get minus of x into x square by root a square minus x square. So here x square is there, so add and subtract a square. Next minus into here minus we get plus, so here cancel, we get value root a square minus x square into dx. In that place again we substitute this I value, so minus I come this side, it become 2i. Now 2 comes that side, become x by 2 root a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sin inverse x by a plus c. Right, next question number 95. So integration e power ax sin bx into dx. So we have a formula e power ax by a square plus b square into a sin bx minus b cos dx plus c. So now we have to prove this formula. So let us consider, let I is equal to integration e power ax into sin bx dx. So e means exponential, sin bx is a trigonometric function. So first we write trigonometric function. So integration sin bx into e power ax into dx. Take it as equation number 1. Now apply the formula sin bx integration e power ax dx d by dx of sin bx integration e power ax dx whole dx. Sin bx integration e power ax value is e power ax by a minus integration d by dx of sin bx. So differentiation of sin x cos x, again differentiate bx, we get b into integration e power ax value a power x, differentiate a power x, we get a right in denominator into dx. So b by a right outside, we get I is equal to e power ax by a sin bx minus integration. So b by a right outside, we get cos bx into e power ax dx. Again u into v formula apply here. Again this is u and this is v. Now I is equal to e power ax by a into sin bx minus b by a into, now apply the formula cos bx integration e power ax dx integration d by dx of cos bx integration e power ax dx whole dx. So e power ax by a sin bx minus b by a, again apply integration formula. So cos bx integration e power ax dx minus integration d by dx of cos bx integration e power x dx whole dx. Now apply again integration e power x is e power ax by a. Now here I is equal to sin bx minus b by a into cos bx e power ax value e power ax by a minus integration d by dx of cos x minus sin x minus of sin bx into b into e power ax by a into dx. So minus into minus, we get plus. So I is equal to e power ax by a sin bx minus b by a into e power ax by a cos bx minus into minus plus integration. So b by a right outside, we get sin bx into e power ax dx. Now b by a multiply here. So we get I is equal to e power ax by a sin bx minus e power ax by, So b into e power ax by a square into cos bx minus into plus minus b square by a square integration sin bx e power ax into dx plus c. Why? Because this value is I. So I substitute there. So we get I. So minus b square by a square into I. So minus value come this side, it become plus b square by a square into I is equal to, now here e power ax, take it as common, e power take it as common in this value. So which one? Here LCM we get a square. So here a is there. Here a square, so LCM is a, so multiply here one a, so we get e power ax into a sin bx minus b cos bx plus c. So by, so LCM is a square, so a square multiply here a square into, take it as common I into a square plus b square by a square equal to e power ax by a square into a sin bx minus b cos bx plus c. Now a square get cancelled, a square plus b square comes this side, it become I is equal to e power ax by a square plus b square into a sin bx minus b cos bx plus c. So this is our formula. So integration e power ax into sin bx, formula is e power ax by a square plus b square into a sin bx minus b cos bx plus c. In place of I, substitute equation, so we get integration e power x sin bx dx formula. So this is our formula proof. So today's session is completed. In this session, if you have any doubt, call my number. I will clarify your doubts. Take care. Bye bye.